Good morning, everyone. So, I found a new location that I think I'm gonna cook some breakfast at. It is like 7:30, 7:45 in the morning, and I went exploring, and this is as close as I can get, but I found a nice little spot right here. Right by the beach. I'm standing up on the truck bed right now. But, looks pretty beautiful. So I'm gonna cook breakfast right here, and then, probably hang out here at the beach a little bit, walk around, then do some fishing. That's my setup for me about to make breakfast. I'm not going to show that again because you guys already know that, but I'll do a quick little walk to the beach, which is right over here. The sand feels so cool on my feet. It's not like scalding hot. Perfect with the sun rising. That's a view. I don't want to go too far. My wallet and keys are on the truck bed, but I do love the Carolinas. I just wish my family was here, you know? Oh yeah, that's beautiful. The nice thing about being on a military base right now is there's like nobody out here. It's a couple fishermen, but that's about it. Look how cool the water is. Oh, that's actually really warm. It's warmer than I thought. Just finished up my breakfast and had an amazing view. You guys just saw that. Like I said, I'm not sure what to do with this video today. That's sort of every video. I'm just sort of recording stuff that I find somewhat interesting, or I think that some of you guys would think is interesting, you know? Not much really going on. But I'm just trying to I'm a beginner at it, but show like the life of living out of a truck. And so far I'm doing pretty good. I think I realized yesterday I just can't park too shady, you know, under the trees and stuff like that, where it makes the cops look a little sketched out, you know. It is what it is. So I'm just gonna walk and clear my mind for a bit. Oh, just cleaned up. Went to the bathroom, did all my fun stuff in the little bathroom they have here. So now, gosh, I can't get over this view. I'm gonna go inland. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's some water right there. I'm gonna follow that up, and pretty much is where I was fishing yesterday. I'm gonna give it another go this morning. See if I can get some better footage for you guys. Maybe I'll actually catch something a little bit decent. I'm gonna go to the store right over here, grab a coffee and some different bait. I still have a little bit left on my bait. I was using the bloodworm. I'm gonna try something a little bit different. Some a little bit smaller, I think, for smaller fish. Wasn't that many luck with the big fish. I think I might have caught one stingray, but it suctioned to the bottom. And pretty much when they suction like that, they turn to concrete. I don't got a strong enough rod to, you know, take them off. So I'll see you guys there. Okay, gonna give this a go. It's a beautiful day out. No one else is out here. Water looks great. So I'll give it a go. Alright guys, so I did a little bit of fishing. You saw me catch the one fish. Honestly, just not much luck after. It hit like 11:15 and I was getting a little bit hot. I ran out of the bloodworm bait, which is like sort of like what I was using a lot. I tried a different bait out today. I got these little fishes, but they just nothing was touching them. I'm just learning still how to fish, and so today was a little bit of a bummer. Caught one, pinfish, but that's about it. And I got a little bored. I tried to get a friend to come out with me, but he's been busy a lot recently, but he might come out tomorrow. Other than that, I think I'm gonna relax, maybe watch some Netflix on my phone, and then start to plan out the rest of my day, which is gonna be the gym and stuff like that. Get cleaned up there. Same stuff as I've always been doing. Like I said, you just get to a rhythm on how to do this stuff. Haven't had to spend a dime recently. I did buy a coffee and I did buy some more bait, but that's like $5 total. So honestly, not that bad. But I'll catch you guys later. Hey guys, so I know this video is probably gonna be pretty freaking short, but I'll be honest, I am tired today. I don't know what it is. I think I had pretty good sleep last night. I think it's the food, honestly. I haven't eaten since breakfast. I haven't really had many snacks either. Trying to skip lunches, but I think going to the gym and burning calories, I'm definitely in a calorie deficit right now, which I'm not complaining. I do have some fat to lose. Just my energy levels are definitely different. My diet is completely off than what it used to be. But I'm gonna cook up some of my freaking Mexican tacos. We're gonna try something special, just hamburger, taco spice stuff that I have in here, and just using my tortillas again. And I have a little bit of that sauce and cheese I'm gonna throw on there. That's about it. I'm gonna get cooking because I'm really hungry. Probably drink a Mountain Dew because I need some caffeine in me. Other than that, that's about it. And I'm gonna record a little bit of it also for you guys. Just put some of that taco spice on. It's just like these little guys are like 99 cents. They're like really cheap. Maybe in less than that. I think it was like 50 cents. Yeah, I'm gonna break that all up, and cheese is definitely cooking. Trying to mix it up as best as possible. Perfect meal though for camping. It's easy. Just cook it up, add some spices, throw some cheese on it, burrito, and you're good. Add a little bit of this sauce into the actual cooking portion of the beef, and then put some on later. Just add some flavor. We're just about done with the meat. A couple little red spots left, and I'll let it cook for like another minute or two. Mix it up again. And then, yeah, I'll just cook up the tortillas a tiny bit, and then, honestly, add some cheese. I already added like tons of sauce and flavor in there. That's as easy as that. We got some freaking tacos. That's done. Now I'm gonna get some tortillas before this all gets burnt and gross. All right, first one's done. I'm just gonna turn this off for now, and I'll turn it on as I make more, because I'm probably gonna have like 3 of these. A little toast on the back. I'm gonna throw a little bit of cheese on. I got a good bit to eat today. This will fill me right up. So I gotta eat all of it now. I did save half of the beef for another day, probably tomorrow. I'm probably gonna have Mexican again. That's alright. Who doesn't love tacos? Got a little bit of sauce. Don't know if you guys can even see that. There we go. Cheesy, meaty taco. Nothing great. I wish I had some sour cream. That'd be amazing. Fresh. Greasy, cheesy, spicy a little bit. Can't get any better than that, guys. So I'm gonna finish this all up, clean up, and then I'll say some closing remarks then. Alright guys, well that's it for today's video. Didn't really do too much today. I mean, you guys saw the beach walk and everything this morning, which was a lot of fun, really relaxing. But like I said, I got so tired today. I fished a little bit. Even the fishing didn't go that well. I don't think it's the sleep, because I'm sleeping fine. I'm sleeping throughout the whole night, but who knows? I think it's the food, honestly. I was really hungry at the end of the day. I'm sort of like sick to the stomach hungry. So I'm definitely in a calorie deficit, which is okay. Like I said, I got some fat to lose, so. And that's about it today. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Please like and subscribe. I'm still trying, still new to all this, so the videos are pretty shit. You guys have probably noticed, but hey, I'm working on it. And with your guys' support, I'll do more of it and get better. So thanks, guys.